is yung leader namin for our party list. Yung pangalan ng party list namin is YOLO Party List. Aingson Nina running for Student Council President. So, achievements niya po is he was at 2024 Dance Sport Batang Pinoy Champions. Tapos 2022 Prom King. Tapos fun run finisher siya and always the MVP in basketball. I mean, what more can you ask for? So let's vote Aingson Nina for Student Council President.
Meanwhile,
I vote for Aingson Nina from YOLO Party List Fun for All.
Yes, please vote for us and you should vote wisely. You should always stay kind. Wag yung kalimutan kasi yung kabilang grupo nandun sila. Ano yung leader nila mukhang ng bubugbog tas good governance? Walang ganon. Hey guys, vote wisely.
Thank you.
Thank you.